Alright, y'all, so right now we about to head to this little park by my house, man. I normally come here to chill, smoke, you know what I mean, look at the water and shit. Be people up here, old people up here chilling, playing music, barbecuing and shit all the time. So I come up here and chill, relax, man. I'm about to go get me a drink at the bar in a minute. I'm about to get my little smoke on right quick first, man. Give me a little, you know what I mean, show y'all where I come and chill at for a little second. Just, you know what I mean, something to post, man. So y'all chill out, relax, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do more of these videos. Just help a brother out. Help me out, help you out. Yeah, no. Look, as you can see, they already playing music. They over there lit. So, you know, we about to go ahead and get lit with them, you heard? It's my personal stash pouch, you know what I mean? Don't mind all the shit you see in here, but you know we gonna get to the nitty gritty. Yeah, I still smoke blunts, nigga. I don't do all them leaves and all that all the time. I'm an OG with it, man. We came up smoking swishes and white owls, man. That's what I'm gonna go out doing, you heard? Yeah, talking about we gonna get high the same way. I don't smoke no trash, nigga. We gonna get high the same way, nigga. For real, hope I don't get copyrighted, man. They play over there playing some golden oldies. What you talking about? All right, man, I gotta take this damn helmet off. I can't do nothing with this motherfucker on, you heard? Hold on, y'all. Them old people be loving my bike too, bro. They be like, dang, I want them. They be wanting to ride it. I be like, nah, cause something happened, you heard? And it's gonna be on me. They be loving the bike though, you feel me? Just trying to get a good thumbnail. Don't mind me, don't mind me. But yeah, though, we just chilling, man. About to hit this blunt, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably about to go get a drink. I'm gonna take y'all with me, go get a little drink right quick. A little drinky drink, you feel me? Then, shit, y'all just stay tuned, man. Hope that riding video was nice. Shit, it's my first time using this camera mount for my phone. It's like a phone mount for the damn helmet. So, we'll see how that shit go, you feel me? Hopefully y'all seen everything was clear and shit. I ain't even watched it yet, man, but we vibing right now. And we about to ride, man. But right now, I'm about to get my little puff on, you hear me? Hey, like, comment, subscribe if you here watching, man. More videos coming. Look at that thing right there, though. Yeah, we coming through, man, so stay tuned. I gotta wait on the smoke, and we got a little trail of people coming here. It's like a whole busload of people coming. Like, what? What's happening right now, dog? It's crazy. But look at Beto. Yeah. That shit be super peaceful out here, bro. I swear to God, bro. I could do this shit every day. As long as the weather cool, bro, I'm cool, you heard? Like, this shit is peaceful, dog. It be like little ducks and geese out here chilling, you heard? Little families, you heard? Shit definitely be a vibe, though, you heard? Yeah, man. I really fell in love with this orange, black, and white look, too. Just to let y'all know. I ain't like that shit at first. All right, y'all, we have arrived. I didn't record here, man, because there was a lot of shit going on, and I forgot to record. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna make no excuses, you heard? But we here, man. You know, we at the bar. It's called Munchies on 5th, you heard? It's in Birmingham, Alabama. So, you know, you come down here at Munchies, man. You might see me here. You might see me, man. But right now, I'm about to get something to eat, a little something to drink, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to chill out, man. See what we can get into before we ride back out. You feel me? So, stay around, stay tuned. We ain't going nowhere. We about to get some good eats. Probably give me a burger or something, fry, and a nice drink, man. You know, stay around, man. Stay tuned. It don't look too busy up here, so it shouldn't take that long to get our food and shit. Cause I'm starving, man. Yeah, we definitely put a boy over the top. I was hungry before I smoked. Now I'm extra hungry, nigga. I'm starving like Marvin. Fuck you mean? Yeah, up here playing some good R&B too, man. I'm about to get copyrighted, cuz. I might have to, hey, listen, I might have to take that music out. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna. I might want to get paid for this video, man. The hell? Damn, they must have heard you, boy. They turned the music off. Let's see. I don't know what they got going on. Shit. All right, y'all. Put all my valuables up. Gotta take my AirPods and shit out. I park right in front of the door so I can see this motherfucker, man. I don't be trusting nobody where I'm at. I can see this bike right where I'm at, right there from my booth. So you know, about to put this shit down. All right, y'all. I'm about to go here and get a drink. I'm gonna go to a booth, so I'm gonna come back when I go to a booth, man. Y'all chill out.
Wait, what do you got?
Had a conversation with this lady. She's nice as hell. Get my drink right here, though. You know what I'm saying? You know we gotta drink that much punch again, bro. That shit go hard. You see what's hiding right there behind the phone. She a cop. She told me she a cop. That's crazy. Go to food right here. Got the burger this time. See if I can take it back. There you go. Got the burger this time. The lady over there, she keep talking to me, man. She trying to get up on me. I'm like, what? Chill now. No, we chilling though. My drink almost gone. No. Alright, y'all, we done eating, man. That shit got me right, you heard? That food and drink put me right over the edge, man. That shit nice, man. Ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and set this shit back up. Get riding, man. Get out of here, you know what I'm saying? Probably do some more shit. I don't know what I'm about to do for real. You know, once you get that drink in your system, the sky's the limit, man. You want to do shit you ain't never did before. You feel me? So I don't know what we gonna do, but we about to get to it. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Sit down, man. Chill, relax, man. We about to ride. I feel good though, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a good day outside. I think it's about 75 right now. So we chilling. 73 or something like that. It got a little breeze, so I brought my jacket with me, but that shit be in the way sometimes, you feel me? But I'm riding and get a little cooler outside, so I do gotta keep my jacket with me, I ain't gonna lie. Until about to get about 80 something outside, then I won't have no jacket, you feel me? I'll be chilling, but right now I'm gonna have me a jacket. Alright, y'all, I ain't gonna talk too much, man. Y'all might hear a little wind noise. I got my mic set up in a bad spot right now, but it's convenient, so I'm gonna change it later though. Y'all just chill, relax, and enjoy this video, man. We riding, baby. Excuse me there, buddy. Yeah. This thing got some pep to it. Shit. This motherfucker definitely be keeping over track. I be passing cars, like I ain't worried about that. I ain't getting on no freeway with this, but I'm definitely like street ride, man. I'm in there, shit. I definitely be cruising. Damn, I know that wind fucking y'all up, man. I'm sorry, bro. I gotta fix my mic, bro. Damn. I know, because I can feel it. I know that wind smacking y'all asses, bro. Bro, I'm lit right now. I feel too good to be riding the motorcycle where I am. But we safe, though. Safety first, man. We got the helmet on. We chilling. What you mean? Downshift. You don't hear that downshift? Bro, I literally said I wasn't about to talk that much, and I've been talking the whole time. Man. We in Birmingham right now, though, man. B-Ham, Alabama, nigga. Murder ham, nigga. What y'all talking about? We definitely in the trenches right now. Bro, now y'all hear that little rattle, man. I got something loose on like by my fucking cluster gauge, bro. I gotta fix that. I gotta tighten it up. I know y'all hear that shit, bro, cause I can hear it. I know y'all hear it. But yeah, man, my takes on the 25 RPS Viper, man. Viper E, man. This shit is lit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I changed a few things to get it up and running just right. Put a new carb, PZ27 carburetor in here, man. I put what else I do? New spark plug. I put an NGK spark plug in here, performance spark plug. I put a new racing CDI in here, so the RPMs max out way higher than they used to, man. So my gears are way longer than they used to be. Shit. Besides the electronics and shit, I added lights, wired all the lights in. You know, this bike didn't come with nothing, no wire, no wired lights or none of that, man. All it had was the ignition for the key, bro. So I used that ignition. I use all the wires for the ignition, bro. Like all the wire ignitions, I use that to wire up everything else. Cause you know with those ignition wires, bro, it come with a switch 12V wire. So a lot of shit I hooked up to that, man. Added a nice little fuse, inline fuse in there. So the shit come on with the key, man. Shit look factory, bro. You feel me? So that was my main goal, to get that shit to look factory, bro. Probably get some different side view mirrors, man, because these ain't really that good, but they work good enough for right now. But I probably get the low profile ones to go in on the handlebars to go, like, you know what I mean, face outwards, not upwards. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna do those next probably. Probably change my sprockets. So I can go start going about 75, 80 on this motherfucker if I change my sprockets out, man. Change my gearing just a little bit. I can do way better on the top speed. But right now, we chilling, man. You see me keeping up with traffic, passing cars. This a 45 mile per hour street. So you see me, I'm doing 50, 55 easy, man. So, you know, this bike, as long as you take care of your shit, man, you put good oil. I use 4T racing oil in here, man. Mobil 1, 4T. I only use 93 gas, you know what I mean? So I try to use all premium shit for this bike, you know what I mean? That's to keep it running at a premium pace, you know what I mean? So I'm trying not to downgrade none of the fluids and none of that, man. I'm trying to keep everything premium racing or performance, you know what I mean? So ever since I did that, man, the bike start right up. It's chill, it's cool. I might give me a new battery just cause. Might just give me a stronger battery. I got the factory battery in here. You know, them Chinese batteries ain't that strong, bro. So I might change that out. But shit, other than that, man, shit been smooth. I did get some handlebar risers, man. So my shit is like 2 inches higher than what it normally is. I raised my rear spring, so I tightened it so it's no preload for real. So it's the highest seat height I can have on here. So I changed the height, man. Listen, I stretched the rear tire, man. I fixed the chain so I could stretch the tire, because when I tried to stretch it the first time, man, the chain was getting way too tight, man. So I had to switch that out and change that little shit. But other than that, man, this shit right. You see me passing cars, man, like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm going easily about 50, 55 right now. We chilling, man. So all that shit y'all hear about Chinese bikes ain't this or ain't that, man. A bike is what you make it, bro. Anything can break down. I see plenty of Kawasaki, Suzuki's, Hondas, all that shit on Marketplace broke the fuck down, bro. Niggas trying to get rid of them, bro. It won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it. All that type of shit, bro. Any bike can break down. It's like any car can break down. But if you take care of your shit, man, it's gonna last as long as you want it to last. I seen a lot of Chinese bikes fucking last 30,000 miles, 60,000 miles, bro. Like, it really depends on the maintenance, man. How you take care of your shit, man. So don't let nobody discourage y'all from getting the bike y'all want or can afford. If you can't afford no fucking $6,000 bike, don't buy it. You feel me? Buy one that's cheaper and then make it, you know what I mean, that rideable. Just put expensive parts into it or put premium parts into a cheap bike, man. It's gonna turn out just fine, bro. I'm telling you. Take my advice, man. Don't be a follower, bro. I got this bike looking right, man. It don't look nothing like how I first got it, so just do what you do, man. Use your imagination when it comes to building these bikes and all that, man. You want to build your own build. Just use your imagination, bro. That's the best thing I can tell you, man. Don't let nobody discourage y'all, bro. Like, shit, another person's opinion don't mean shit. That person's bike can break down tomorrow. He don't know what's wrong with it. You know what I mean? So, man, all that shit, bikes breaking down is really undependent. I mean, it's unexpectable, but you can't expect that shit to break down. People don't ride their bikes and like, oh, my shit about to break down in a minute. Like, nah, man, it's unexpectable, bro. So use preventative maintenance, man. Preventative maintenance on y'all shit, and y'all be cool. But we made it back to the house, man. We chilling. That was the ride, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that. Like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Probably about to do some more shit to this bike. Get it more right. You heard? There you have it, y'all. Get y'all the final ride. The ride y'all been waiting on. Not the final ride, but finally get y'all a ride y'all been waiting on. Y'all see how good it is, man. You see how good it is in traffic, bro. All them jokes and shit, man. Y'all see how good this thing is in traffic, bro. Come on, man. Don't sleep on this shit, dog. Built, not bought. You feel me? It's your boy Bike Life Weeds, man. That's another video for y'all. I'm gonna start doing more moto vlog videos for y'all and all that shit, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Just like, comment, and subscribe so I can do more of these videos for y'all, man. Let y'all know how this Viper running, man. It's a $1,200 bike right here, man, that I fixed up, man. Put a new CDI in here, new spark plugs. Shit. Changed the goddamn carburetor, nigga. I got a PZ27 carburetor in here. Shit, I got the speedometer working. Got the little, you feel me, power bank for my iPad right there, whatever. CarPlay screen. Tail light in the back. Come on, man. Hand guards. We riding, man. Y'all gotta do all that following shit. Y'all gotta stop that, man. Y'all ain't gotta get no Kawasaki or no Suzuki or no Honda or no Yamaha to feel goddamn like y'all on a real bike, man. The bike is what you make it, you feel me? So if you know how to make your bike what it is, then it's gonna be what it is, you feel me? Like, you gotta teach yourself how to do shit, man. Don't be a follower, man. Be a leader. Learn how to do shit yourself, man. Your shit can come out right how you want it, you feel me? But that's another video for y'all, man. I'm out. Peace.